Again, this is my perspective, right? So don't take it the wrong way. I know most of you that watch this channel, a lot of you probably have degrees, right? But this is just challenging you to open up your mind a little bit to explore some of the realities of what we've been taught growing up, and maybe challenge some of the beliefs that we have that are coming out of that traditional education system. If you look back in the industrial age, they talked about the workers, the people inside of the mines. They called them cogs, right? Because the cogs would fit into a much larger machine that was owned by a person, company, corporation, whatever the case might be. So again, this is my perspective, right? So don't take it the wrong way. I know most of you that watch this channel, a lot of you probably have degrees, right? But this is just challenging you to open up your mind a little bit to explore some of the realities of what we've been taught growing up, and maybe challenge some of the beliefs that we have that are coming out of that traditional education system, right? Because the fact of the matter is, the same companies that own the universities, right? The same global elites, 1%ers, whatever you want to call them, same people that own the education curriculum, right, are the same people that they're training you up to fit inside of their machine once you graduate. I know that's a very bold statement, but that's the straight, honest truth, right? So if I'm pressing anything inside of this video, I encourage you to hold on to this one thing. The industrial age is dead. The system that was built teaching you to get a good job, get good grades, strive for comfort and security, that whole model is dead, right? It's non-existent. It's the prehistoric dinosaur model in this new technological driven economy. And let's be honest, looking at what's happening with all the money printing and volatile markets, crypto going up and down, the US dollar going to crap, right? The old model is changing. It's shifting so quickly that most people don't even know what's coming, right? So the time is now to start exploring, to start diving deep, to figure out what type of talents and gifts you have that you can bring to the marketplace. Because what it's doing is we're breaking down the old industrial model, right? Working in the steel factories and the mines and the different machines, right? Everything's going to technology. The world of social media has opened up the playing field for average day Joes, people like you and me, to step into the arena and bring a product or service to the market, right? If you look back 20, 30 years ago, the corporations and the establishment as it exists were the ones that were calling the shots, the ones that provided the services. Early stages of Google, you might go looking for a solution, right? And come up with like one or two possible businesses or companies that could solve your problem, right?